Welcome to Fashion Art School, the series where I teach you how to draw in my style in about 60 seconds. Today's lesson is on how to draw a messy bun. Start by where you want the elastic to be. I'm drawing it right in the middle of her head. Next, starting at the root, draw every single line that represents hair pointing up towards the elastic. They will curve a little bit just like you see here. Let's do the same thing with curlier hair. So we're going to start at the root and go upwards towards the elastic, but add a little bit of a jitter to the pencil application and a little bit more curl. Now the top of your bun can be as large as you want it to be. I like to go big. We're going to start to draw the first section and then the second, and then you can even add a third if you want. But the biggest thing here is drawing sections for that undone look. Now my favorite part of these little flyaways, for the curly girl, we're going to draw little coils, as well as some loose, wisping face framing pieces coming down over here. Here's a little color side note for drawing blonde hair. Make sure that you're using beige and not yellow. The other thing you might notice is that I've left some spaces white intentionally to create a highlight. I'm repeating the same coiling motion with my brush pen that I did with my pencil to draw this curly brown hair. And the same for her beautiful little curls that are coming out of the top of the bun. The last step is to draw outside the lines to create these stray hairs for this beautiful undone bun on each of these girls.